Okay, so we have a mathematics question that says find all the angles between 0 degree and 360 degree which satisfies this equation. So these you see are modulus, which is 4 tan x minus 2 equal to 3. So when they say modulus, it simply means that this number is supposed to be positive or negative. This is the actual meaning that the answers may be positive or negative. Because when you introduce this, it simply means the actual number inside has no sign, meaning the final answer should be positive or negative. If that's the case, then you're supposed to form two equations for the positive and for the negative. Keep in mind for the positive and for the negative. So now let us start. So we do this. So we get this one the way it is. So it will be 4 like this, 4 tan x minus 2 equal. So here now I'm going to pick the 1 for the positive. So positive 3. Now you must remember that tan, it is just a trigonometric ratio. In simple terms, tan, it is equal to sine over what? Over cos. So now what we do is it will be again 4 like this, 4 tan x. So this one is supposed to come here. So it will be, so when negative 2 comes here, it's supposed to give me what? 5. So we divide by 4, even there by 4, you cancel. So tan x is equal to, so now you divide. So this one into this one is going to give me 1.25. At this stage, this number you see, it is a positive state. It is a positive number, okay? That simply means that in this quad between 0 degree and 360, we must focus on the positive, because the way the quadrants are like this. Or student take chemistry. So here in the first quadrant, meaning the angle between 0 degree and 90, all the quadrant are what? Positive. Now where else is tan positive? In the third. Keep in mind. So where is it positive? In the first and in the third. So now the next step here, we divide with tan, even there with the tan like this. So now we cancel out. So it will be x equal to, so when tan moves on top, it will be the inverse of tan, like this, 1.25, like this. So it will be now x equal to, so now if you get your calculator, then you press shift, then you tan, you're going to get the inverse of tan like this. Then you press 1.25. What will be the answer? It will be 51 degree. 51, it is the first angle in the first quadrant. But where else is tan positive? In the what? In the third, because after that what? 360, meaning from here up to 360. So this is the first angle in the first quadrant. Now if you want to get the angle in the third, you say, that is for the third now, like this, you say 180 plus 51. So when we add these two, we are going to get what? 231. So we have solved for the positive. Now that is for the positive for this value. Now let us solve for the negative. So if you want to solve for the negative, again you pick the same equation the way it is, like this. So it is now 4 then tan x minus 2. Now this here, you introduce what? A negative 3. Okay, here we are solving for the positive, now it's for the what? Negative. So now it will be 4 like this, and then tan x. So when this one comes here, it will be negative 3 plus 2, which will give me what? Negative 1. So you divide with the 4, even there with the 4 you cancel out. So now tan x, so tan x is equal to, so now 4 into negative 1 is going to give me negative 0.25. You have seen that? So we divide with the tan, even there with the tan. So you cancel out x now. X equal to, so when tan moves on top, it will be tan inverse like this, the negative 0.25. I hope you are following. Yeah, I hope you are following. So we continue. Now at this stage, you press again shift on your calculator, then you get sign. Now you press 0.25. Don't press the negative, no, because angle is supposed to be positive. So you press tan, shift tan, you're going to get this. Then you press 0.25. You ignore the negative. So when you press this one here, you are going to get what? You are going to get x. equal to what? To 14 degree, which is the first angle in the first quadrant. But now remember, as you can see, there's a what? There's a negative. So this negative, it is telling us to say we're supposed to find the tan where it is negative, where else it is in the second and in where? In the fourth. So what you do is in the second, you're supposed to say, so in the second, it will be like this. So in the second, you say 180 minus what? Minus 14. So 180 minus 14 is going to give me 165, which is the angle. Now how about the one in the fourth? The one in the fourth, you say, so for the fourth angle, you say 360 minus what? Minus 14. So 360 minus 14 is going to give me 345. So these are the answers.